In this video, I'll show you how to fix the TikTok privacy option not showing. First, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Open the Play Store or App Store, search for TikTok, and install any available updates. Next, close TikTok completely and reopen the app. If the privacy option is still missing, go to your phone settings, open Apps, select TikTok, then tap Storage and choose Clear Cache. After clearing the cache, open TikTok again and check if the privacy menu has appeared. In some cases, certain privacy features may vary depending on your account type, age, region, or the version of TikTok available in your country. If nothing works, TikTok may have changed the location of the setting you're looking for. TikTok frequently reorganizes its menus and moves features between different sections. Try browsing through other categories within Settings and Privacy, such as Account, Content Preferences, Security and Permissions, or Activity Center, to see if the option has been relocated. And that's how to fix the TikTok privacy option not showing. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.